Southeast Asia is calling adventurers. Are you ready to answer the call of this enchanting region? Get ready for vibrant cultures, stunning landscapes, and unforgettable experiences. Imagine wandering through bustling street markets, witnessing traditional dances, and marveling at majestic mountain landscapes. From bustling cities to serene beaches, this region has it all. Picture yourself navigating the energetic cityscapes, relaxing on pristine beaches, and exploring the tranquil countryside. Packing smart is key to maximizing your enjoyment. A well-packed suitcase can make the difference between a stressful trip and a seamless adventure. I'm here to share some insider tips, honed from years of travel, to help you pack light and travel far. These tips will ensure you have everything you need without the burden of heavy luggage. Get ready for an amazing journey. The excitement of takeoff, the thrill of new destinations, and the beauty of scenic flights over Southeast Asia await you. Packing for Southeast Asia can be tricky, with its diverse climates and cultural norms. You'll encounter everything from tropical heat to cooler mountain air, and it's important to be prepared for both. But don't worry. With a little planning, you'll be well prepared for anything. Remember, less is more. Create a checklist of essentials and stick to it. This will help you avoid overpacking and ensure you have all the necessities. You'll be hopping between islands, exploring ancient temples, and soaking up the sun. Each destination offers unique experiences, so pack versatile clothing that can adapt to different activities. So ditch the heavy luggage and pack smart. A minimalist approach to packing will give you the freedom to move easily and enjoy your travels without being weighed down. Use packing cubes to organize your belongings and save space. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them can also help maximize space and reduce wrinkles. Choose multi-purpose clothing and lightweight travel gear. Items that can serve multiple functions will save space and reduce the weight of your luggage. Don't forget travel-sized toiletries, a reusable water bottle, and a portable charger. These small items can make a big difference in your travel experience. Embrace the local culture by trying new foods, interacting with locals, and participating in cultural activities. Packing light allows you to be more spontaneous and immerse yourself fully in the experience. Keep a journal to capture your memories and take plenty of photos. These mementos will help you relive your adventures long after you've returned home. Most importantly, enjoy the journey and make new friends along the way. Traveling light not only makes your trip more enjoyable but also opens up opportunities for new connections and experiences. So pack light, explore more, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime in Southeast Asia. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more exciting and essential travel videos at Go Globetrotters Travel YouTube channel. Let's start with the non-negotiables. Your passport is your golden ticket, so keep it safe and make copies. It's not just about having it on you, it's about being prepared for the unexpected. Imagine losing your passport in a foreign country. Having a copy can make the process of getting a replacement much smoother. Keep a digital copy on your phone and a physical copy in a separate bag. This way, you're covered no matter what happens. A secure wallet for cash and cards is essential. Not only does it keep your money safe, but it also helps you stay organized. Consider a wallet with RFID protection to prevent electronic pickpocketing. In bustling markets and crowded places, having a secure wallet can give you peace of mind. Separate your cash into different compartments so you don't have to pull out a large sum every time you make a purchase. This small step can make a big difference in your travel experience. Don't forget your phone and charger to capture those Instagram-worthy moments. Your phone is more than just a camera, it's your map, your translator, and your connection to home. Make sure you have a reliable charger and consider a portable power bank for those long days out exploring. There's nothing worse than running out of battery when you need it most. Keep your phone charged and ready to go so you can document every amazing moment of your journey. Stay connected with a local SIM card. It's inexpensive and makes navigating a breeze. With a local SIM, you can access maps, make local calls, and stay in touch with fellow travelers. It's a small investment that can save you a lot of hassle. Plus, having internet access means you can share your adventures in real time. Look for SIM cards that offer good data packages and coverage in the areas you'll be visiting. I always grab one at the airport on arrival. It's convenient and ensures you're connected from the moment you land. Many airports have kiosks where you can purchase a SIM card and have it activated on the spot. This way, you don't have to worry about finding a store in the city. It's one less thing to stress about, allowing you to focus on enjoying your trip. Now let's talk about staying organized. I love packing cubes. They are lifesavers for keeping your clothes tidy and maximizing space. Packing cubes allow you to categorize your items, making it easy to find what you need without rummaging through your entire suitcase. Use different cubes for different types of clothing, one for tops, one for bottoms, and another for accessories. This method not only keeps your suitcase organized but also helps you pack more efficiently. Plus, you can easily find what you need without unpacking your entire bag. Imagine arriving at your hotel and needing a fresh outfit. With packing cubes, you can grab what you need without disturbing the rest of your belongings. It's a simple yet effective way to stay organized and make your travel experience smoother. No more digging through a messy suitcase to find that one item you need. Trust me, it's a game changer. Once you start using packing cubes, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without them. They make packing and unpacking a breeze, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your trip and less time dealing with your luggage. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-timer, packing cubes are a must-have for anyone looking to stay organized on the go. Southeast Asia has a tropical climate, so pack light, breathable clothing. Think cotton shirts, linen pants, and flowy dresses. Don't forget a lightweight raincoat or poncho for those sudden downpours. Comfortable walking shoes are a must, as you'll be exploring temples, markets, and everything in between. Remember, many temples require modest clothing. Pack a scarf or sarong to cover your shoulders and knees. It's a sign of respect for local customs and ensures entry into these sacred sites. Southeast Asia's tropical climate means one thing: sun. Pack high SPF sunscreen and apply it liberally. Don't forget a hat and sunglasses to protect yourself from those strong rays. Insect repellent is another must-have. Mosquitoes can be pesky, especially during the evenings. I always pack a basic first aid kit with essentials like band-aids, pain relievers, and antiseptic wipes. You can find most things locally, but it's always good to be prepared. Remember to consult your doctor about any necessary vaccinations or health precautions before you go. Share your packing tips in the comments below. Let's subscribe to each other's channels and grow our Globetrotter community. Together we can share best practices and stay in touch. Section 5. Gear up for adventure. Southeast Asia essentials. When preparing for an adventure in Southeast Asia, packing the right gear is crucial. The region offers a diverse range of experiences, from bustling cities to serene beaches, and having the right equipment can make all the difference. Let's dive into some essentials that will ensure you have a smooth and enjoyable trip. Navigating different plug points can be a hassle. Southeast Asia has a variety of electrical outlets, and it's important to be prepared. You might encounter Type A, C, G, or I sockets depending on the country you're visiting. This can be confusing, especially if you're hopping between countries. A universal power adapter is your best friend, ensuring you can charge your devices anywhere. These adapters are compact and versatile, allowing you to plug into any socket type you come across. They often come with multiple USB ports, so you can charge several devices at once, which is incredibly convenient when you're on the go. Stay hydrated by carrying a reusable water bottle. The tropical climate in Southeast Asia can be quite intense, and it's easy to get dehydrated. A reusable water bottle not only helps you stay hydrated but also reduces plastic waste, which is a significant issue in many parts of the region. You'll find refill stations in most hotels and tourist spots. These stations are often free or very affordable, making it easy to keep your bottle full. Plus, many places offer filtered water, ensuring it's safe to drink. Skip the plastic and help protect the environment. By using a reusable water bottle and other eco-friendly products, you contribute to reducing the plastic pollution that plagues many beautiful destinations in Southeast Asia. Participating in local cleanup activities can also be a rewarding way to give back to the communities you visit. A small backpack is perfect for day trips and carrying essentials like water, snacks, and your camera. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for exploring cities, hiking trails, or visiting temples. Make sure it's comfortable and has enough compartments to keep your items organized. I always pack a lightweight, foldable shopping bag for market hauls and souvenirs. Southeast Asia is known for its vibrant markets, where you can find everything from handmade crafts to delicious street food. A foldable bag is easy to carry and can hold all your purchases without taking up much space in your luggage. It's amazing how quickly your luggage can fill up with treasures from your travels. From intricate textiles to unique jewelry, the markets in Southeast Asia offer a plethora of items that make perfect souvenirs. Packing a foldable shopping bag ensures you have extra space for these treasures without overloading your main luggage. Happy travels! Section 6. Pack light, travel far. What to leave behind. Now let's talk about what to leave at home. Heavy toiletries are a no-no. Opt for travel-sized versions or buy them locally. Formal wear is unnecessary unless you have a specific event. Ditch the bulky guidebooks and download offline maps and language apps instead. They're lifesavers and save precious luggage space. Remember to leave any valuables at home. Safety first. Keep your money and important documents secure in a money belt or hidden pouch worn under your clothing. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Section 7. Travel like a pro insider tips for seamless adventures. Research local customs before you go. Simple gestures can have different meanings in Southeast Asia. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language goes a long way and is always appreciated. Don't be afraid to bargain. It's part of the fun in markets and street stalls. Keep your essentials in your carry-on bag, just in case your checked luggage gets delayed. This includes your passport, wallet, phone, charger, and any necessary medications. It's always better to be prepared. Section 8. Embrace the unexpected. Be open to new experiences. Southeast Asia is full of surprises. Be open to trying new foods, meeting new people, and stepping outside your comfort zone. Some of the best travel stories come from unexpected adventures. Remember, flexibility is key. Don't overplan your itinerary. Leave room for spontaneity and allow yourself to get lost in the beauty of the region. Most importantly, embrace the local culture. Southeast Asia is known for its warm hospitality and welcoming locals. Interact with them, learn from them, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Section 9. Conclusion. Your Southeast Asian journey begins now. There you have it, fellow adventurers. Packing smart for Southeast Asia is all about prioritizing essentials, respecting local customs, and being prepared for anything. Remember, less is more. Pack light, travel far, and embrace the incredible experiences that await you in this magical part of the world. Your Southeast Asian adventure begins now.